All BMS students have access to digital books that they can check out through the Overdrive app. To access Overdrive, you're going to go to your sbbearcats.net bookmarks and choose Nebraska Cloud. From here, you'll need to click the black arrow. Then you're going to select your district or organization by typing in Scottsbluff. Choose Scottsbluff. Here you're going to need to enter your email address. BMS students still do not have email, but you have to use an email address to access Overdrive. So you'll type in your first and last initial followed by your student ID at sbbearcats.net. Click Submit and you'll be brought to the Scottsbluff Apps page. From here, choose Overdrive. If you get this warning, just click OK. And now you're in the Overdrive site. You can search for books, you can search by subject, by levels, by collections. You can just type in the book that you're looking for. If the book is available, it will say checkout. If it's not available, it will say place on hold. I've already checked this book out, so I'm going to go to my checkouts. From here, you can read right in your browser on your Chromebook, or you can read it on a Kindle if you have a Kindle at home. All Overdrive books expire in 14 days. That means it will automatically check it in for you in 14 days. If you decide you want to return the book before 14 days, all you have to do is click Return Title. And then it will say, are you sure you want to return this? Yes, I do. And now you're eligible again for the 3 checkouts that you can check out on Overdrive. If you have any questions, come see Mrs. Shattuck or Mrs. Collins in the library. Thanks.